falls to me to welcome you to the 2018 UHR Conference here in Bristol and to declare the conference formally open.
I think HR people get a whole bunch of things out of events like this. I think, first of all, they get to learn from each other. There's so much richness in the exchanges of comparing notes and processes and practices. On this conference, they're getting a lot of really good challenge about what really works, what doesn't work. So I think they're getting a great infusion of new ideas and new thinking.
Engagement isn't enough. It's got to be engagement plus a customer focus. That's what you have. I think attendees get from an event like this a fantastic source of expertise, knowledge, networking, learning from each other, looking at best practice that perhaps they've never thought of before.
The networking is invaluable, really. I've met loads of people here and we're going to follow up stuff afterwards, and I think that's fantastic, actually, and I think that's one of the key benefits.
Finding out what the other universities are up to, how they're progressing in the HR arena. We've got the same challenges, so it's really, really interesting to see how people are tackling them.
Most of us working under so much pressure, and you can get a bit closeted, a bit closed in and dealing with the day-to-day, and this gives you a chance to lift your head up and to see what's happening out there.
But also it's a point of reflection before going to the next academic year, and a point of sort of recalibrating what you're doing and a sense of purpose, really.
I also think it's an opportunity for us to meet with suppliers in one area, meet them face to face and talk about the opportunities of being able to support universities to help us to resolve our problems.
I've been coming to this conference for the last 7 years. I absolutely love it. It's a great conference where people are so warm, they take the time to actually talk to you.
We're really proud to be headline sponsors. We come to UHR every year, delivering legal workshop and 2 workshops this afternoon as well.
I think that my highlights that have actually been the plenaries.
Yeah, Matthew Sayed. He was really inspirational. He was a very eloquent speaker.
Thought-provoking and really entertaining at the same time.
The big challenge of leadership is to synthesise the power of collaboration and competition in a meaningful way. I'll try and talk a bit about that later too. There needs to be a renewed focus on getting the culture right, to say what kinds of things could we be doing differently, what could we be doing better to serve our students.
As universities, we are creative and innovative, and we pride ourselves on being creative and innovative. And what I'm talking about is the way in which we're engaging now with our regions and our cities and localities. At the end of the day, we're about talent, we're about creating opportunity, and HR is a critical component of driving universities forward.
One of the boat crews is brilliant. Yeah, I mean, to see some of the history and the ship Great Britain and, sit with the folks.
I think the UHR Conference is at the very heart of what UHR is about. We're about helping good HR people be even better at what they do. We're about connecting people, we're about CPD, we're about making people think in different ways, and the conference is at the heart of that, and I think it's central to what we do.